Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I've been sitting at home, bored and things like that with everything that's going on. So I decided, why not get back into doing makeup, since it's been so long since I've done makeup. Since I've like the most I do now, it's literally just put foundation on my face and then I'm out the door. But today I wanted to try to go back into doing my full face. This is my inspiration. This is what I'm gonna try to do. We'll see how it's gonna go. I'm excited. If you like the video, make sure you comment down below, like the video and all that. It'll be greatly appreciated. But yeah, let's get to it. So right now I'm using my NYX Photo Primer. I'm just putting it all over my face. And now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm using this pencil that I got from the dollar store. It's supposed to be a eye pencil, but I use it for my eyebrows, I use it for my lips, I use it for anything that I need. So I'm just filling in my brows. I basically just draw out my shape and I just basically just follow my eyebrow shape. Yep, just filling it in. And then I'm going to use my spool to blend out everything all together to make sure it's nice and even. Zoom in so I can give you guys a better look. Now I'm using my NYX concealer. It's so thick. Damn, look at how ashy oh my goodness. Please disregard that. But anyways, I'm using the concealer to conceal my eyebrows. Who is texting me? You scam. Anyways, yes, just trying to highlight my eyebrows. I do this just so I can have the end kind of look pointy. Usually I would highlight the top too, but this time I didn't want to do that. I wasn't into to doing that, but you can do that if you want. And then now I'm just gonna make sure I blend everything in. Blend the concealer with on my eyelid, just so there's no harsh line. Nobody wants any harsh line. You've seen those people, right? Like they have this harsh line at the bottom of their brows, and it's like, damn, did you see this before walking out of your house? We don't want that. So now I'm using my Tarte concealer to put on my eyelid as a base for my eyeshadow, so I can create a smooth base in order for me to apply my eyeshadow. So I'm blending that in all the way. And then now I'm using this little Laura Mercier. My friend graced me with a little bit because that thing is so expensive. It's like $40. So she gave me some and it's still there. It's been like what, 2 years or 1 year, and it's still there. Yep. And then I grabbed my palette, my Juvia Place palette, and now I'm using this color brown so I can create a base, I guess. I'm not great with makeup talk. I'm not even gonna fake it, but yeah, basically I'm creating a base ish. Mascara, keep blending in. Now I'm getting my Violet Rose palette. I'm gonna use this red color. that as much as in the picture. Yep, closer look. Look at my eyebrows. I really need to trim my eyebrows, but with everything's being close, I can do that, so I'll have to do it myself. Let me know if you guys would want a video on how I do it myself, because I always do it myself anyways. Now I'm grabbing this green color on the palette. Guys, I'm so sorry. Like, I thought I was doing this for you guys, but apparently I was just doing it for myself, because you can't even see what I'm doing. But what I'm doing right now is that I'm putting the eyeshadow on top of my lid, the green one. I don't put it towards the end, I just put it on the inner of my eyes, because the outer of my eyes already has the red, if that makes sense. I'm so sorry, guys. And now I'm grabbing the same brown color and I'm just going over it just to like blend it together so it doesn't look harsh. You see the green and then you see the red. And then I went and did my other eye. I did the same thing basically. And I also used my setting spray to put on the brush so the color can pop a little bit more. That's why you can see the green a little bit more. So now I'm just blending. I'm using this nude shade that is in the palette to blend in everything. And now I'm about to use my eyeliner. I'm not the best when it comes to eyeliner, but I'm trying. I'm learning. I'm thinking of getting the pen one to try out. I don't know yet, but ooh, this came out good. Look at me. Yup. Look at how ashy my hands are. Oh my god. What can you do? It's because I wash my hands so much. Like, it's crazy how much I wash my hands now. Oh my god, I just messed up. But don't worry. We still got it, yep. Trying to push a little bit. Yep, you see, this is what happened. This is what I hate about eyeliner. You're trying to make it perfect, you just end up messing it. Now you look like one is bigger than the other, but you didn't notice that, right? Okay. Now I'm using my Juvia Place foundation. Not a really big fan, but if you guys want me to do a review on it, I can. Just let me know down in the comment. Blending and blending all over my face. I got 3 of this foundation because I wanted to know which one would go in me, because I wasn't sure. Let me blend up my neck, because I know there's some neck police on YouTube. If I don't do it, they're gonna come after me. So yup, I'm blending my neck. But yeah, for the foundation I got 3 because I wasn't sure which one would match my skin. But I can try all 3 of them, and if you guys want me to do a giveaway with them, I can. I don't mind. Just let me know down in the comment below. And now I'm using my Tarte highlighter. I don't put too much. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And today was one of the days where I didn't want to. And I just spray my beauty blender with this all night setting spray that I got from TJ Maxx. It's really good actually. And now I'm just blending it everywhere. Highlighting my under eyes. I got really excited. And now I'm using the Laura Mercier. There's not much left, guys, but I'm trying. I'm making it work. I'm highlighting it and setting it so it doesn't crease. But it's really good. It's really, really good. It helps your makeup from not creasing. But look at me. I'm scared of the neck police. Still blending in my neck.
side.
If you're gonna wear white clothes, don't do this. It will ruin your clothes. Now I'm just contouring. I'm using this black radiant compact powder that I have. It's really good. Now I was trying to give myself a nose job. Dr. Miami ain't got nothing on me. Yep, just contour my nose, and now I'm going to use my mascara to prep for my lashes, because you know, like all those little eyeshadow powder fell in your lashes and you don't want that, so you want to remove them. So I'm doing my bottom lashes too, because I don't really put eyeshadow at the bottom. And I just popped on some lashes, and here I am. I felt like a whole new person with those lashes on. When I tell you, I love lashes. They bring like the whole look together. Ooh. My hair kind of looks like a mess. I'm just realizing that. But I'm using my Black Radiance highlight. It's so good. It's beautiful. I love it. Don't mind my hair, guys. It's the gel. If you see like this kind of white stuff, it's the gel. I don't know how everybody says Eco Styler is the best gel. Somehow, for some reason, it never goes with me. But now this is me lining my lips. I learned this trick. I don't remember where. But if you want to have you show like you have a heart-shaped lips, this is what you do. Yep. And then I'm using my NYX. Oh my goodness, NYX should sponsor me, because I feel like I've been using so much of their stuff. Yeah, now I'm putting it on my lips to create this nice nude lip look. Looks cute. Dab it with my finger just to make sure it's, everything's together. Ooh, I was feeling myself. I feel like Nicki Minaj. And now I'm grabbing my lip gloss. And just, you dab it on your lips, okay? You dab it. You don't, I don't know how you say it, pass it on your lips. You dab it. So it can look good. And now I'm getting my eyeliner setting spray, and I'm setting that face, setting it off. So this is the finished product. That's it. I mean, I tried. The red is not really, I don't think you can really see it. It's not as bright as it was in the picture, but I tried. To make the green pop, I kind of like just sprayed the brush with my setting spray, which is this Up All Night. I sprayed the brush, and then I dabbed it into the eyeshadow palette, and then I put it on my eyelid. So that's why you can kind of like see it a little bit more. But before doing that, it wasn't really showing. And I hope you guys can see it now. I mean, I tried. But I think I did pretty good, considering that I haven't done like eyeshadow in like years, honestly, because I don't really, when I go out, I don't do this whole full face thing. So, but I think I still got it. I hope. But definitely let me know what you think down below. This is it again. Yeah, I think this is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. See you next time. Bye.